are playing inside this descending channel we have got for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. I'm expecting that one to break to the upside. Why? Because as Bitcoin going to the downside in this descending channel, we are having, it looks like, ascending triangle for Bitcoin on the other side on the daily time frame. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about Bitcoin. Today I'm going to start with the total market cap with Bitcoin and total market cap without Bitcoin. Actually, as you can see on the screen, what do we have in the total market cap, including Bitcoin, actually is bouncing off the support line we have got in here, as everyone is bearish and scared at the moment. Let me just check the fair and greed. In crypto is 27, and we had the extreme fear actually for the past few weeks. But what do we see in here, as nobody can see because Bitcoin doesn't show this one? The total market cap actually broke out of this resistance line we have got in here on 20th of March, and now is back testing this trend line as a support and bouncing off from this one actually, which is a really powerful bullish sign for me at the moment. As you can see, we have got green candles as we are going through and through. The selling off is getting weak and weaker, and actually I think I'm expecting Bitcoin and another crypto market make a rally to the upside in the next few weeks in May or June. I'm going to show you why in a few seconds. The total market cap without Bitcoin actually is bouncing off of few support line we have got in here. As you can see in here, the trend line got broken in the past few weeks. As you can see in here, got broken, and now is back testing this one. We have got the horizontal line in here, which is a really important one as a support, and we have got a trend line in yellow color working as a support as well. As you can see in here, this area for all the crypto market excluding Bitcoin is actually really important. It's about $1 trillion actually. All the crypto markets should hold this area. If we lose this one, we are going all the way back down to about losing another $400 billion. But I think this one is going to hold the price, and after that we are going to see another rally on the market for the cryptos, Bitcoin and altcoins. I'm going to show you the other chart I have got in here. At the moment, the USDT dominance reaching to the resistance area, which is a really important one, and it's going down at the moment. As you can see, we had a rejection to the downside. We are on the daily time frame for the USDT dominance, and if we can lose this one, actually we go back to here, we are going to see another pump on the crypto market. I'm going to show you the chart I have got in here for Bitcoin. If I change it to the line chart, what do we see in here? We have got the really crucial and important support area in here at the moment for Bitcoin. As you can see, this trend line we have got in here in yellow color, it worked really nice as a support for Bitcoin in the past, and now after Bitcoin reached to about a $37,600 area, we bounce to the upside one more time. I'm expecting this one hold the price of Bitcoin, this area, and after that we are going to see another movement to the upside. I think this time Bitcoin is going to reach to about the $50,000 or $55,000 in the coming weeks. I'm going to show you why. As you can see in here, what do we have? If we go and check it with the just let me change it to the weekly time frame. If I go on the weekly time frame, as nobody can see that one, everyone going like a ascending channel at the moment for Bitcoin, like this one, everyone going like this. Bitcoin is playing inside this ascending channel, but I do see that one as a symmetrical triangle. As you can see in here, we have got the trend line for the resistance, we have got the support line for the support for Bitcoin. At the moment, Bitcoin is playing, in my opinion, inside this symmetrical triangle we have got in here, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to break to the upside at least to about $50,000 in the coming weeks. This area is really important for me, $37,000. I'm not expecting to break that easily. As you can see in here, what do we have? The 78% of the Fibonacci retracement. If I zoom in here for you, the 78% of the Fibonacci retracement is holding the price of Bitcoin in here. As I told you on the daily time frame, few other things, we have got a lot of support about $37,000, and I'm going to bring the VPVR on the weekly chart frame. I'm going to show you what do we have in here. As you see, the VPVR, the red line we have got in here for VPVR, is holding the price of about $37,000 or about $37,600 for Bitcoin. Actually, that one once Bitcoin reached that area in the last few days, and this area is a really important support for Bitcoin at the moment. I'm going to show you with the RSI we do have in here. Just let me hide the VPVR we have got in this one. Okay, the as you can see, I have got in here the blue arrow. I'm showing it to you. We have got the higher low on the price of Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, but on the RSI on weekly time frame we have got lower low. As we have got the bullish divergence, we haven't seen that much movement from Bitcoin to the upside to clear that one as a bullish divergence for Bitcoin. But on the weekly time frame, which is not good at the moment, we are having a 20 EMA crossing below the 50 EMA. The 20 EMA is the blue color and the 50 EMA is the yellow color, and 20 is going to it's actually crossed below the 50 EMA we have got in here. But that doesn't mean actually Bitcoin is going to the downside straight away. I'm expecting another bounce to the upside to about $50,000 to $55,000 for Bitcoin, and after that maybe we are going to see another rejection to about a sub $20,000 for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart I have got in here as well. In this daily time frame chart I have got in here, as you can see, the trend line got broken actually, and now we are back testing this one, and we are playing since early in the April. We are playing inside this descending channel we have got for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. I'm expecting that one to break to the upside. Why? Because as Bitcoin going to the downside in this descending channel, we are having, it looks like, ascending triangle for Bitcoin on the RSI on the daily time frame. And as you can see, Bitcoin on the RSI for Bitcoin is making higher low and is going to the upside on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin actually is moving to the downside. We have got bullish divergence, the funding rate in the negative territory, and I'm expecting another move come to the Bitcoin market to the upside in the coming days. Another chart I have got in here to show you, what do we see in here? We have got this channel actually, but I'm expecting this channel to break to the upside in the coming weeks. As you can see, we are reaching to a really strong support area, which is about $37,000 for Bitcoin. I'm expecting another move to the upside from Bitcoin. If we go with the Fibonacci retracement, what do we have in here? We have got from the top, which was about the $48,000, to the bottom, which was about the $37,500 for Bitcoin. If we go with the Fibonacci retracement, actually, what do we have in here? The $55,000 for the Bitcoin is going to sit about the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement, which is a really important area for me at the moment. I was going to cross this about area, which was the really important support before. Now it might work as a resistance. That area is really important for me. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm expecting another movement come to the market to about a $55,000 or $54,000 for Bitcoin in the coming days or weeks. Actually, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break to the downside after we had this long rejection and long correction to the downside, which was about a 50% movement to the downside. As you can see, it was about a 50% correction to the downside. I'm expecting at least Bitcoin to reach to about $55,000 in the coming weeks, and after that decide which way is going to go. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel as well. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.